Hi guys, welcome back to Math at School. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can figure out the value of x when you know the average of these 5 numbers. So let's get started on my next slide. Now the question says, average of the following 5 numbers is 15. And those 5 numbers are as follows. What is the value of this x? Now, in order for us to successfully solve this question, what you need to know is the mean formula. Mean is the same thing as average, and it goes like this. So, average or mean is equal to sum of all numbers over number of values. So I'm just gonna write it like this. This is a sign for sum, and I just wrote number sign to refer to number of values. In this case, we have 5 values or 5 numbers, so I'm gonna have 5 in this denominator. And for the sum, I'm gonna have to add all these numbers. And the average of that is going to be equal to 15. So out of this mean formula, we can set up an equation where we can solve for x. So let's go ahead and do that. Our average is 15, so I'm going to put 15 here. And sum of all numbers, or sum of these 5 numbers, I can express as 12 plus 8 plus 25 plus 1 plus x. And the number of values, we have 5 numbers, so I'm going to put 5. Now we have this equation where we have an unknown variable of x, and we can definitely solve for x from this equation. So let's go ahead and do that. I am going to carry out these addition operations in order to simplify this equation. So that's going to give me 15 is equal to addition of these 4 numbers, which is going to equal 46 plus x over 5. Now I am going to multiply these 2 numbers and set it equal to 46 plus x. Another way to think of this is you can express 15 as 15 over 1, and you do cross multiplication, and you set 15 times 5 equal to 1 times 46 plus x. So if I do that, I get what? 15 times 5 is equal to 46 plus x times 1, which is equal to 46 plus x. And 15 times 5 is equal to 75, and that's equal to 46 plus x. And if I, let's erase this part and move it up a little bit. Okay, if I subtract 46 from both sides, I can eliminate this and completely isolate x, and that'd be equal to 29. And that's going to be our final answer. The unknown variable of x is equal to 29. Now, that's how you would set up an equation out of the mean formula in order to solve for x. Now, we have another question. What is the median of these following 5 numbers? Now that we know the unknown variable of x, we can figure out the median. Now, median refers to the middle number, literally. So what we're going to do first, in order to figure out the median, is we're going to line up the numbers from smallest to largest. So the smallest number from these 5 numbers is 1. So I'm going to write that first. And then the next smallest number is going to be 8. And then 12. And then 25. and largest number is 29. So I lined up numbers from smallest to largest, and all I need to do is to find the middle number. So what I do to not get confused is to cross out numbers one by one from both sides. And now I know that our middle number, or the median, is 12. So my final answer is that median out of these 5 numbers is going to be 12. And I'm going to box my final number and be done with this question. Now, another problem that I need to mention for you is, what if you have even number of values? For example, what if instead of 1, 8, 12, 25, and 29, what if we have 1, 8, 12, and 25? Since we have even numbers, if I do crossing from both sides, I'm not left with any value, right? So what you can do in this case is to cross out numbers. And when you are left with 2 numbers, you do not cross them out. Instead, you take average of those 2 numbers, and that'll be your median. So 8 plus 12 over 2 will be the median of these 4 numbers, and that'll equal to 20 over 2, or 10. So that's the way you figure out median for even number of values, and for odd number of values, you can just do crossing out method. Alright, I hope this video helped you guys. If you need more help, or if you want to practice more with me, you can always visit my website at method.school, where you can access my worksheets in subject areas like these and access my video solutions to all of them. And you can do so by clicking this button right there. So thank you for listening, and I'll see you guys in another video. And also, please do not forget to like and comment to this video, and consider subscribing to my channel to boost your math grade. That's it for today. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.